In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet to Easypay. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your cryptocurrency to an exchange and then withdraw it to your Easypay account. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet on your device. Once you are on the home screen, look for the options labeled Send, Swap, Receive, and Buy. Click on Send to initiate the process of transferring cryptocurrency. Next, you will need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. For example, if you want to send SOL, find it in the list of available coins. Click on the coin to select it, which will allow you to specify the details of your transaction. After selecting the coin, you will see a field to paste your exchange deposit address. Make sure you have your deposit address copied from the exchange where you intend to send the funds. Paste this address into the designated field carefully to ensure accuracy. Now enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Be mindful of any minimum transfer limits that may apply on your exchange. Once you have entered the amount, click on the Send button to proceed with the transaction. A confirmation screen will appear, prompting you to review the transaction details. Confirm that everything is correct, including the address and amount. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. Depending on network conditions, this may take a few moments. After the cryptocurrency arrives in your exchange account, open the exchange platform in your browser or app. Navigate to the withdrawal section, which is typically found in the account settings or main dashboard. In the withdrawal section, select Easypay as your withdrawal method. This option should be available among the various withdrawal methods provided by the exchange. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw to Easypay, ensuring that it does not exceed your available balance. Finally, confirm the withdrawal request. The exchange may require you to verify your identity or confirm the transaction via email or SMS. Once you've completed these steps, your funds will be processed and transferred to your Easypay account. Keep in mind that withdrawal times can vary based on the exchange and payment method. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.